everyone, welcome back to our channel again today. I've got laundry here to fold, so I thought maybe we'd do a chit chat while I do my laundry. I don't really have much to talk about, but I'm trying to make sure that I keep doing videos because I want to keep my channel up and running. And that's the most important thing, is to make videos. Just keep putting out videos. That's what they say. Just keep putting out videos. So that's what I'm doing. And for those of you who are watching my video on my meal planning, it is going great. I don't know why I didn't do that years ago. The fact that I have everything on paper written down that I'm going to eat, taking the stress off of me. I don't have to worry about going in the icebox and looking in there and saying, what can I fix? What kind of ingredients do I have here that I can fix something with? Because it's already written down. And I went to the store and bought everything I need, so I don't have to keep making trips to the store. I mean, it's just something I never even thought about. It's really nice. It's actually given me a little bit of a stress relief. Oh, I got towels stuck in a knot. But yeah, having everything written down, I just go to that menu and I'm like, what am I supposed to have today? Then I look on that menu and see what I'm supposed to have. And if it's something I haven't made yet, I get in there and make it. Because most of the stuff that I picked out, I have it set to last me for 4 days. So when I make it out, the recipe, I know that I've got something that I'm going to be eating on for the next 4 days. And I have discovered that the stuff that I make like that for 4 days, I generally don't eat it the whole entire 4 days. So what I do, I take what's left. I might eat it 1 day or two. The rest of it goes in the freezer. So that gives me some freedom. I can have variety later on in the month if I decide that I want to put that item in the freezer, and then for the next 4 days make another dish and have it for 2 days, put it in the freezer. Later on in the month, I can get back in the freezer and pick out one of those other dishes that I've already fixed and have that. Less work for me. It's so satisfying. So I definitely will be doing a meal plan for another video in 4 weeks after this one's finished. I've already started writing down some ideas and suggestions for meals that I might have, so that I don't have the same thing over and over. I want to kind of rotate it out so I don't get bored with it. So I'm already thinking of some new foods that I enjoy, that are not expensive, easy to make, and I'm trying also to pick items that are made with ingredients that I already have here at the house. So I've got that going on too. But yeah, it's working out great. It's something I don't know why. I just looked at it like something that would be a lot of trouble. But if I keep these pages, like let's say I make out 4 months worth of recipes, and the 5th month I can just go back to that menu from the first time and do it again. Or I can take recipes from menus that I've already done and mix and match them, mix them up. I find myself using a lot of canned chicken because there's so many things that you can make with it. And I really like canned chicken, so it stretches pretty far. And then there's hamburger meat. You know, you can make a lot of things with hamburger meat too. I'm trying new recipes that I haven't made before. And one of them I tried was called a Sloppy Joe Crescent. And it's basic. It's just Sloppy Joe mix wrapped inside of a croissant. It's really good that way. Okay, so I've got my laundry folded. So that'll be the end of this video. Thank you guys for coming to watch. Remember, life is short, so make it a great one. And y'all come back and see us now any old time. Bye for this one.